Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Garmin watch heart rate to Rouvy. So we are now in the app because I will show you this way how you can do that before you start the race or training. So here at the top right corner you will see some pedals, heart rate monitor and some power. And if you click on that, you will see here cycling devices. So trainer, classic trainer, cadence, heart rate, and controllable. So we want to connect an heart rate monitor. So we will click on here, add, and then the device through the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. It will search for close devices and it will show your name of your Garmin watch heart rate monitor right here, and then you just select it. And that's basically pretty much what can you do to connect Garmin watch heart rate to Rouvy. This strap, I mean. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.